So, guys, this is the book Indian Polity by Laxmikanth, which I was waiting for this since last 2 days. Here, I want to share an experience with you. 2 days ago, I went to Koti Book Market in Hyderabad to purchase Laxmikanth Indian Polity. So there, in one bookshop, I asked the salesman, Indian Polity by Laxmikanth. He keeps that book on the table, which has minor paperback damages. In doubt, I asked that is it a second-handed book or already used one. He said, "No, it is not. It is new one." So I thought it's okay, no problem. But when I took the book in my hands and after turning the pages, I feel that something is fishy. So I almost refused to buy that book, and he said 700 rupees for that. So unfortunately, I started bargaining. He said, "For how much you want this?" I said, "I don't have more than 500 rupees." So he quoted 600 rupees. There's no change from my side. Finally, he accepted to give it for 500 rupees. For 2 3 seconds, I felt like, oh my god, I just got Lakshmikant Polity for just 500 rupees. After purchasing, I directly flipped the paperback and tried to scratch that I will show you in this book. So, which we can avail some more resources, right? After scratching that by that code in McGraw's, we can avail some more resources on online platform. But it was not scratching actually it was just printed, right? I will show you. So please be aware of such kind of pirated books. I will show you. So this is brand new Indian Polity by Laxmikanth. So you can see this book. Yeah. So I was telling about this scratch one, right? Actually, you can scratch this, right? It can be scratchable, and you can see the code here, right? You can see slightly code. I won't reveal it more. Okay, so please be aware of such kind of pirated books, because I hear that it has a lot of errors, and personally I feel irritating because that paper quality, uh, which is not good for long term or multiple revisions, many more reasons. So I hope you understand what I was telling to you. uh, Thank you. Jai Hind. All the best.